Greetings, everyone. Welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a web app using Python. No matter your technical background, I'm here to show you how you can make a web app in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is Python? Well, Python is a popular programming language that is used to develop applications quickly and reliably. Not only that, but its easy-to-learn syntax means that you can create programs in no time. Now that we've established what Python is, let's move on to the more important part of this tutorial, creating your web app. For the sake of this video, let's say we wanted to create a web application that allows users to search for their favorite restaurants. With Python, this is actually quite simple. First, we need to create a server-side language. This will handle any requests that the website receives. For this app, we'll be using Flask as it's lightweight, easy to use, and already has all of the necessary tools. Next, we need to create the user interface. This will be the part of web application that the user will interact with. Here, we'll be using HTML and CSS to create a responsive design that looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, we have to actually write the code that will power the entire web application. This is where Python will come into play. With Python, it's possible to write sophisticated scripts that can quickly search databases and provide the user with the necessary information. And that's it. With just 3 steps, you've created your very own web app using Python. To ensure that everything is working correctly, it's worth testing the application on both a real device and within a simulator. And there you have it. Creating a web app doesn't have to be difficult, and with Python, it becomes a breeze. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time, take care.